It's time for a new minimalist packing challenge. I want to go somewhere for 2 nights without the bag. And in case you don't know me yet, hi, I'm Tina from Minimalist. I'm a vegan with Wanderlust, and usually I only travel with a personal item-sized bag anyway. But this time I want to take even less. I want to travel somewhere without a bag at all. But of course, that does not mean I'm not going to bring anything. I'm still going to bring a few things, like the essential things, because minimalist traveling is not about not bringing anything and then just buying it once you're there. It's about bringing less and bringing only the essentials. And on this trip, like a 2-night trip, I'm really only going to focus on the essentials. First, I'll show you what I'm bringing, and then I'm actually going to take you on the trip with me. We're going to explore 2 small towns in Czech Republic, and afterwards, I'm going to come back home and share with you if there was anything I missed during my trip. Let's get straight into packing. And the number one thing, of course, is my passport and my phone. And besides using my phone for taking pictures, navigating, entertainment and whatever, I also hopefully can just pay with my phone, because I'm actually not going to bring a wallet on my trip. I hopefully can pay with my phone, but in case I can't pay with card anywhere and I need to draw out some cash, I'm just going to bring one credit card. So I'm going to bring one Wise card because I'm going to Czech Republic. They have different currency and this one makes the most sense. So I'm just going to bring the card for emergencies in case I do need to draw out cash. And with my phone, I'm also going to bring my power bank because, I'm going to be out all day exploring, taking pictures, navigating, whatever. And to charge everything, I also need my charger and a lead. Keeping it very minimal. They have the same power sockets and the smallest lead I have. And for entertainment on the train, I'm also going to bring my headphones. And then I'm also going to bring my phone stand because I'm traveling on my own and I'll probably want to prop up my phone so I can, record me speaking to you. And also I can take some pictures of myself. So I'm also going to bring my phone stand. And of course, I also need some toiletries. For the toiletries, I'm going to keep it really minimal. I'm going to bring my toothbrush. Even on a 2-night stay, I'm going to bring my electronic toothbrush because I just hate manual toothbrushes. It's quite bulky, but here we go. Toothbrush. For the toothpaste, I'm going to bring toothpaste tablets. I know it looks like a bag full of drugs now, but I counted 4 toothpaste tablets and I put them in a tiny bag. That's like the smallest way, I think, to travel with toothpaste. Usually, I'm not the biggest fan of the toothpaste tablets, but it definitely makes sense for such a short trip to save space. And I'm also going to bring my lip balm, always bring my lip balm. And for my face lotion, I actually, the other day, by chance, I got a free sample at a store. So I'm going to bring a sample full of face lotion. And the last thing in my toiletry section I'm going to bring is a comb. Usually I'm not the biggest fan of combs, but the hairbrush is just way too big to bring it in my pocket, so I'm going to use a comb instead. And that's already it for my toiletry section, because I'm going to stay in hotels, and there I can just use the shower gel and a shampoo from the hotel. And I'm going to put the small items from my toiletry section, I'm going to put them in a small bag, just so they don't accidentally fall out of my pocket or something. So they're kept together. And also I think it might be a bit more hygienic from a toothbrush head if I have everything in a small bag and not just in my jacket pocket. The toothbrush handle is a bit too big, but I'll just add it here like this. So I have all my toiletries very tight together. And clothes-wise, the only thing I'm going to bring is actually a pyjama. I know this might be a bit controversial, but I just do not like sleeping naked. I also debated if I might just sleep in my underwear and then on the next day bring fresh underwear. But then I thought I would need to travel with my dirty underwear in my pockets. I don't know, I don't want to travel with my dirty underwear in my pockets. So I thought I will wash my underwear, so my knickers and my socks, every evening in the sink. And hopefully they will dry overnight. And on the next day, because I'm staying in 2 different hotels actually, I can put on the same underwear again. And I just have to put my pyjama in my pocket instead of dirty underwear or something. And since it's spring, it's early March now, I am going to wear a jacket. I'm just going to wear very ordinary jacket. So no super fancy jacket with loads of pockets or something, because I think that's stupid, to be fair. Just a normal ordinary jacket. And in here, I'm going to pack everything. My passport and my credit card. I'm going to put it here in the inside pocket. My phone I'll just put in my pants pocket. I'm actually going to add the power bank also to the pocket here. And my other electronics go in this pocket here, together with my pyjama top. And my toiletries and my pyjama bottoms go on the other side. And since it's spring and I'm going to set off super early, it might still be a bit cold. I'm going to bring like a headband, which I'm probably going to wear tomorrow when I set off. So like to keep my ears nice and warm. And otherwise, I can still fit it in my pocket as well, if it gets like warmer when I arrive. So yeah, I've packed everything now and I'm already wearing the outfit I'm going to wear tomorrow. So just like a normal pair of jeans, my sweater and my jacket. And I'm going to wear like normal sneakers. And I think I'm going to be fine with everything I packed because personally, I don't have a problem at all with wearing the same outfit 3 days in a row. So I'm not going to wash my clothes at all, only my underwear. Personally, I think it's totally fine. But yeah, we'll see how the trip goes. And afterwards, we'll come back home and see if I missed anything. Now I have everything and I will see you tomorrow morning at the train station. Bye. Interesting side note, I have to change in Linz. This is the city where I did my last packing challenge to. Last time I went with a bum bag. You can watch the video here. But yeah, now I'm without a bag and it felt so awkward leaving the apartment without a bag. And also on the train, I just kept thinking I forgot something. I took a train now I'm gonna head on a bus and will arrive in 1.5 hours. I arrived in Český Krumlov, a small town in the south of Czech Republic. It's a really picturesque old town. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's actually one of the most visited sites in Czech Republic. So in summer it gets really crowded, but that's why we're here in early March. But yeah, can't check into my hotel yet, but no problem at all because I don't have a bag with me anyway. Wow, that's such a nice room and super spacious. Usually I'm always really looking forward to checking into the hotel so I can dump all my stuff and I don't have to carry it around with me anymore. Even if I don't bring that much, it's just so nice to don't have to carry it around all the time. But this time, because I don't have that much with me, I walked around the city for hours and I didn't mind at all that I still had to carry all my things with me. Now I'm in the hotel and obviously now I'm gonna leave the stuff here. I'm not gonna need while exploring. So my pajamas, my toiletry bag, pajama and my charging and my headphones. I also don't need those out. And my passport. So yeah, it was really cool and also it's quite cool that you can travel with so little. But yeah, it's only day 1. We'll see what I will say on day 3. Now it's time to do laundry. So I'm gonna wash my knickers and my socks. I'm just gonna wash it here in the sink and I'm just gonna use the hotel soap. I know it's not the best, but it's just 2 times, so it'll be fine. And for it to dry even better, I'm gonna wrap it in the hotel towel, like in a small towel. And before coming here, I worried a little bit that I might find it difficult for it to dry overnight, but there's like a working radiator and it's warm, so I won't have any problem for it to dry until tomorrow. Good morning. I already had a shower and I just used the shampoo from the hotel And yeah, worked great. And now I'm gonna brush my hair with a comb. Usually I always take a brush. I don't really like combs. I think it's way more difficult to brush your hair with a comb than a brush. But obviously a brush would have been too big for my pockets. And for the face lotion, I bought this one because I already had it at home and thought might as well use it. Otherwise I would have used those small contact lens cases and put some face lotion in there. Now it's time to pack up, which shouldn't take long because I didn't bring that many things. And then I'll check out the complimentary hotel breakfast and see if I can find vegan options. And I forgot to tell you yesterday, the cashless plan didn't work out that long. I went for dinner and at the dinner restaurant I could only pay in cash. I actually wouldn't have needed my card because I could draw some money out like contactless with my phone. So now I have some Czech crowns just loose in my pocket, in my jeans pocket. I have some cash now. I draw out the cash with my Wise card and it really helps keeping the fees low when you draw out like different currencies to your own. So yeah, I do have a discount code if you want to try out that as well. And my underwear was completely dry, so yeah, it was super easy washing it by hand. It makes it super easy because I have everything I have with me in my jacket. Super easy to go just downstairs, have some breakfast and then I'll check out. I have everything in my jacket. I actually really like it to not have luggage. It's quite cool. But for now, let's go to breakfast. So I'll just stroll a little bit more through Český Krumlov and then I'm gonna head to the bus station and head to České Budovice. I arrived in České Budovice. Sorry for the pronunciation. I'm already really liking it so far. I'm at the really picturesque main square right now. And I've already visited the Museum of Southern Bohemia, which was really interesting. And I've had some soup in an edible cup, which was also really nice. And yeah, it's a really nice main square, super picturesque buildings surrounding the square. But yeah, it's already time to check into the hotel, so we'll do that. And then afterwards, today we're just gonna explore the town a little bit. Excited to explore the city. I'm in my new hotel, a really cool apartment. So I'm just gonna leave the things I don't need again. I'll leave it here, so the toiletries and my pajamas. Before being able to check in here, I already had a few hours in the city. Like, it's amazing. Even a small bag, if you carry it around for hours and hours, it starts getting heavy at some point. But without the bag, super easy. I'm back in the apartment and for dinner I'm just gonna have some miso soup today and then also have some chocolate pudding and some gummy bears. Laundry done, and I really thought doing laundry every day would annoy me, but it's quite alright. Definitely worth the price for not having to carry dirty underwear in my pockets. Good night. Good morning. I'm just gonna have a cup of tea and some water. I need to drink loads of water before I head out for the day because I didn't bring my water bottle. So I always have to drink a lot, like when I'm in the hotel, well, now the apartment, or like at the restaurant. So I try to drink more at those times. now it's time to head back home. So I'm back from my no luggage trip and it's time to review it. And first of all, March probably wasn't the best time of the year to visit either of the destinations I visited. But here's the thing about traveling without luggage. I think it only works in colder months. So it only works in when it's cold outside. Because the thing is, now in spring, when it gets warmer, in the mornings and evening it's still cold and you would need to wear a jacket, but during the day it's too warm for a jacket. So if you travel without a bag, but then you have to carry your jacket all the time, it doesn't make sense. And also in summer, for example, I don't wear a jacket at all. And no way I could fit a toothbrush comfortably in a shorts or a skirt pocket. So yeah, I think it only works in colder weather. And in colder weather, it's pretty cool, actually. I enjoyed it more than I thought I would, to be completely honest. I didn't miss anything. So the only thing I would change in the future, instead of that face lotion sample, I would bring a contact lens case with two tabs. And then I would just put some face lotion in one and in the other maybe some suntan lotion or something. But otherwise, I had everything I wanted. I didn't mind at all doing laundry every evening because it was the colder season still. So I had radiators in my apartment, and so it was no problem at all for my underwear and socks to dry overnight. And also I stayed in hotels and I had the space to myself, so I could just comfortably hang it over the radiator. Because in the past I've tried washing clothes in a hostel once, and it's just awkward when you need to find a space where to hang it, and then everybody sees your underwear hanging around. It's weird. But anyway, in a hotel, it really worked great. And also personally, I don't mind at all having to wear the same clothes for 3 days. So yeah, overall, I really enjoyed traveling without a bag. It was just so easy. I didn't mind at all when I had to wait to check into a hotel. I really enjoyed it. And I hope you enjoyed watching. And in case you have any other minimalist challenges you want me to try, leave it in the comments and I might try them out. For now, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.